So I just posted for 30 days straight and algorithm taught me something that I didn't want to learn. On day 15, I filmed something and didn't even check the ID. Just raw thought and raw script and posted it in like just 20 minutes and it got around 2500 views. After seeing that, I got motivated and on day 24, I spent 6 hours on scripting, filming, editing, reshooting it. I posted it feeling so proud, but it barely got any views. And that's when it hit me. You see, the algorithm doesn't reward effort, rather it rewards clarity. And it doesn't even care that I tried something, rather it cares that if someone even stops scrolling or not. And real life also works the same way. The person who gets the promotion in your company isn't someone who always works hard, it's usually the one who communicates the core idea in just 2 sentences. Also, the most exciting offer that you see in the mall or somewhere online isn't the one with most features, rather it is the one that makes us feel stupid to ignore and obvious to choose. Markets don't care about your effort and people don't either. They care about whether you made them feel something in just first 2 seconds. So yeah, 30 days in and I finally learned that stop optimizing for effort, instead start optimizing for emotion.